So today I want to show you how I clean my bathroom with Norwex. And first of all, I use the bathroom cleaner, and this cleaner is concentrated so it can be diluted with water in the Forever Bottle with Sprayer. This is the Norwex Forever Bottle with Sprayer, and it holds about 16 ounces of water. So I typically put about 4 tablespoons of the bathroom cleaner in my glass spray bottle here, and then I fill the rest with water, I shake it up, and then I clean my bathroom along with my window cloth and my EnviroCloth. And I use more than one when I'm cleaning. Sometimes I may use as many as 2 or 3 while I'm cleaning my bathroom, and then of course I have 1 or 2 window cloths for drying and polishing and cleaning my mirrors and glass here in the bathroom. So I'm going to just show you how I do this process and how I clean and just how easy it is. So I like to begin with a wet tub. What I do is I just take my sprayer from my shower and I turn the water on and I spray my tub. Then I just take my bathroom cleaner and I spray it around the tub pretty evenly. And I dampen my EnviroCloth. And then I begin to spread the cleaner around the tub. And once I have the cleaner all over my tub, the bathroom cleaner, then I just, wait a few minutes and I go around to some other areas of the bathroom and maybe clean my sink or my toilet. And then after this has had a chance to sit here for a little while, I come back and I rinse it. So I'll show you that in just a moment. For my bathroom sink, I do much of the same thing. I once again just kind of want to start with a dampened sink surface. And of course I dampen my Norwex cloth. And before I get my cloth filled with the bathroom cleaner, I'm just going to take a moment to clean my mirror with the EnviroCloth. I'm going to wipe it down, and then I'm going to polish it with my window cloth here. So this just gets any dust or fingerprints, smears that may be on your mirror off, kind of wipes it down. Then of course the window cloth gives that wonderful streak-free shine that the Norwex Window Cloths are so famous for. Right, so you can see my mirror is nice and clean. Okay, so next I'm going to clean my sink surfaces. I'm just going to begin by spraying my EnviroCloth with my bathroom cleaner, and then I'm going to wipe the sink surfaces down, the counter here. I like to spray these surfaces a little bit, just kind of wipe them off. And of course I'll spray some bathroom cleaner in my sink. And once I get this all wiped down, I'll clean the inside of my sink. And I like to go back and wipe my surfaces down with a clean, damp cloth. And then I like to dry with my window cloth. Just gonna dampen this. Gonna go back over my surfaces just to get any of the leftover bathroom cleaner off countertops here. And then I'm going to take my window cloth and I'm going to dry my surfaces just so they're not left wet. I like to wipe down my cabinets, this area, just because, you know, a lot of times we may get toothpaste on the cabinet or little fingerprints. So I really like to just go over this, make sure that this area also gets a good cleaning. Anything that is a high-touch surface in the bathroom, it's a good idea to wipe it down. Okay, so we're back at the shower over here. Okay, so I'm going to take the window cloth and dry these surfaces. So I usually wait until the very end to clean my toilet. And once again, I'm just going to start with a clean cloth and I'm going to spray it with some of the bathroom cleaner. And then I'm going to wipe down the outside surfaces of my toilet. And then I'm also going to clean the inside with the bathroom cleaner. You can simply just squirt some of the bathroom cleaner into the toilet, and then you can scrub it out with a brush. So that's pretty much the process that I follow. I use my bathroom cleaner with the EnviroCloth. I clean the surface, then I come back behind with a dampened EnviroCloth. I remove any of the bathroom cleaner residue, and then I come back behind that with my window cloth and I dry the surface, polish it so that it's nice and clean. It's a really straightforward process, and then I like to, when I'm finished cleaning my bathroom, I take all of my cloths and I hang them up after I've rinsed them out. I hang them up, let them dry, and then when it's time to wash my Norwex cloths, I wash my cleaning cloths all together. And also, I do use my EnviroCloth to hand mop my floor sometimes in here because I have a small bathroom floor. So it's just as easy sometimes to dampen an EnviroCloth and just get down on my hands and knees and scrub the floor. But I do also use my Norwex mop in here as well. I didn't mention my trash can. I have my trash can here. But I also use my Norwex cloth, my EnviroCloth, to wipe down my trash can and clean the outside of it and clean the inside of it. So, so many uses for the bathroom cleaner, the Forever Bottle with sprayer, and the EnviroCloth and the window cloth. You can't get a better clean for your bathroom, and I love using these Norwex products to get a really good clean for